Hi, today we're going to get ready to plant our seedlings into some bigger plants. What we have to do first is get the pots ready before we transplant the plants. I'm going to start by putting a little gravel in the bottom to help with drainage, and then just put layers of soil on top of that. I'm using just some peat gravel to go in the bottom, and then some all-purpose planting soil, and I'm putting it into some plastic whiskey barrels. And then I also have a few other planting trays and smaller planters that I'm going to use too, but we'll see how much dirt I have. So we're going to start by putting some gravel in the bottom of each pot.
Use a shovel, but it's easier to just use your hands or to dump it. We only need enough to cover the pot. We'll even this one out a little bit. And a little more on this one. So that should be enough to give just a little bit of drainage on the bottom.
So you can see I have two different bags of soil. One I bought from the store, and it's just an all-purpose garden soil, and the other one's just some soil I rescued from a planter at my parents' house. I'm going to put it on the bottom because it's probably not quite as nutrient-rich as the brand new stuff. So for these smaller planters, I'm not going to put any gravel in. They've got these little trays on them. They don't quite fit, but I also don't have enough gravel to put in there because I want to use it for one of my other planters, so I'll just repeat the step from last time, just without the gravel. The trays will serve the same purpose as the gravel, allowing extra water to drain away from the soil and helping prevent the roots from rotting, which will kill the plant. So now I've got enough soil in each planter, and when my seedlings are a little bigger, I can transplant them. As you can see, these plants are nowhere near big enough to be transplanted outside yet.